Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Smith.
Excellent. Right this way, please.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Harry.
And I'm Emma. It's really nice to meet you all today.
On this channel, we practice real-life English through calm, natural conversations.
The kind you can actually use in everyday situations so you can sound more natural and confident.
And today, we're going to talk about something we all do, even when we feel shy speaking English.
Going to a restaurant.
Ordering food, asking questions, handling small problems politely without sounding rude or robotic.
So take a deep breath.
And let's start today's conversation about restaurants in real-life English.
This place feels warm, like the kind of restaurant where you can actually slow down.
I know. The lighting is soft and it's not too loud. I can hear you without leaning in.
I'm glad we came early. I always feel calmer when I'm not rushing.
Same. When I rush, my English gets smaller.
Smaller?
Like, I only know yes, no, okay, and then my brain goes blank.
That is so real.
And today's topic is perfect because restaurants are where people freeze.
Especially when the staff asks a quick question and you don't catch it.
Or when you catch it, but you don't know how to answer in a natural way.
All right, let's make this feel easy. Hi there, table for two?
Yes, please.
Do you have a reservation?
We do. It's under Harry.
Great, let me check.
I always like that phrase, it's under.
It sounds natural, right? It's under Harry.
Instead of my name is, which is fine, but under is what you hear a lot.
Found it. Right this way. Thank you.
Also, right this way is so classic restaurant English.
And it sounds a little fancy, even if the place is casual.
Hi, welcome. How are we doing tonight? Good, thank you. How about you? Doing well. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Could we have sparkling water and still water, please?
Absolutely. Sparkling and still. Any preferences for ice? No ice for me, thank you.
Ice is fine for me.
Great. And would you like a few minutes with the menu? Yes, please. That would be great. No rush. I'll be right back. No rush feels like a hug.
It really does. It gives your brain time to breathe.
Also, would you like a few minutes? Viewers, that's such a useful phrase to recognize.
And your answer can be simple. Yes, please. Or, could we have a few minutes?
Or, we're not ready yet. But could we have a few more minutes? Sounds extra polite. Okay, this menu is dangerous. Everything sounds good.
I know, I'm pretending I'm calm, but I'm actually hungry.
I love that. I'm hungry.
It's the kind of hungry where you start making bad decisions.
Like ordering 3 things and then regretting it.
Exactly.
What kind of place is this? Italian-inspired?
Yeah, but they have a few modern dishes too.
I'm seeing words I know, and then words that feel like a trap.
That's a restaurant classic. You read confidently, then suddenly you're like, wait, what is that?
I want to be the person who asks questions without feeling embarrassed.
Today, you will be.
How are we doing? Any questions about the menu? Actually, yes. What do you recommend? Great question. Our signature dish is the lemon herb chicken, and the seafood pasta is also very popular.
When you say signature dish, you mean the one you're known for, right?
Exactly, the one people come back for. That's helpful, thank you.
Could I ask, how big are the portions?
They're a good size. The pasta is a bit more filling. That's what I needed to hear.
That phrase is gold. How big are the portions? Because sometimes you're not asking because you're greedy, you're asking because you don't want to waste food.
Or you want dessert later.
Which we do.
Could I ask what's in the seafood pasta? Sure. It has shrimp, mussels, garlic, chili flakes, and a white wine sauce. Chili flakes. Is it spicy? It has a little kick, but we can make it milder. Perfect. Could you make it mild, please? Of course.
That's such a clean sentence. Could you make it mild?
Or could you make it less spicy?
Viewers, if you're worried about sounding demanding, start with could you.
And add please. It changes the whole tone.
I also want to ask about allergies, because that's where people freeze.
Yes, because the staff might ask quickly, any allergies?
And if you don't understand, you panic and say no, even if you're not sure.
Let's give them safe sentences.
I'm allergic to nuts.
I have a peanut allergy.
I can't have dairy.
I don't eat pork.
Or, if it's a preference, I like to avoid.
I'm trying not to eat.
Softer, less medical.
Are you ready to order?
I think so. Could we start with the tomato soup to share?
Absolutely. 1 tomato soup to share. And I'll have the seafood pasta, but could you make it mild, please? Of course.
I'll take the lemon herb chicken. Could I swap the side salad for fries?
Yes, we can do that.
Thank you.
Could I swap the is so good?
Because change is okay, but swap sounds more natural here.
Also, to share. Learners love that. We'll get 1 to share.
It makes you sound comfortable in the language.
You did great. Calm, clear, not rushed.
I feel proud, honestly.
You should. Restaurants used to make you nervous.
They still do sometimes. It's like the moment someone asks a question and you didn't expect it, my brain drops.
Like it falls through a hole.
Exactly. And then I hear myself speaking too fast, trying to escape.
That's such a real description.
I think I'm afraid of wasting the server's time.
Me too.
But then I realize something.
What?
Servers ask questions all day. They're used to people being unsure.
And they'd rather you ask than pretend.
Exactly. Pretending creates problems later,
Like getting the wrong dish and then feeling too shy to fix it.
which is our next retention moment.
Yes, we're going to handle a mistake politely. Here we go. Tomato soup to share. Thank you. It smells amazing.
It really does.
Another phrase. It smells amazing. So natural.
And if you want to be simple, looks great.
Let's taste.
Wow, that's comforting.
Comforting is such a good word for food.
It feels like a warm blanket.
Okay, that's poetic, but true.
Viewers, notice how we're not using fancy words.
Just honest feelings. That's the key to sounding natural.
Could we get an extra spoon, please?
Of course. Could we get is your best friend.
Could we get extra napkins?
Could we get more water?
Could we get the check?
Simple pattern, endless use. And here's the lemon herb chicken and the steak pasta. Oh, sorry, I think I ordered the seafood pasta. Oh, you're right. I'm so sorry about that. Let me fix it. Thank you so much.
That was perfect.
I didn't apologize like I committed a crime.
You just said it clearly. I think I ordered.
That sentence is gentle. It doesn't attack the server.
Let's teach that.
Option 1, I think this isn't what I ordered.
Option 2. Sorry, I think there's been a mix-up.
Option 3, I ordered the seafood pasta, not the steak pasta.
Calm, specific, polite.
And then the magic ending. Could you check, please?
Or, could you fix it, please?
And if you want extra kind, no worries.
No worries, I just wanted to check.
Mix-up is such an easy word.
It means a small confusion, not a big disaster.
And if it's your fault, you can say, my bad.
But careful, my bad is casual.
In a restaurant, sorry, that's on me can sound more polite.
Like if you realize you said the wrong thing. Oh, sorry, that's on me. I meant...
Good. Real-life English. Here we go. Seafood pasta, mild, and the chicken with fries.
Perfect, thank you for fixing that.
Of course. Enjoy.
That's how you do it.
Okay, let's taste.
How is it?
It's exactly what I wanted. Warm, flavorful, and not too spicy.
That phrase is useful. Not too spicy.
Not too salty.
Not too heavy.
Not too sweet.
Those not too phrases are natural and safe.
Your chicken looks good.
It does, and I'm relieved I asked to swap the side.
Relieved is an emotion word we use a lot in real life.
Especially when you do something in English and it works.
That little success changes your confidence.
What if the food comes and it's cold? People never know what to say.
Yes, they either suffer silently or they get angry.
We want polite, calm sentences.
Option 1, excuse me, this is a bit cold. Could you warm it up?
Option 2, sorry, I think this might have gotten cold. Could I get a fresh one?
Option 3, would you mind heating this up?
Would you mind is extra polite.
And for too salty, you can say, it's a bit salty for me. Could I have some extra sauce or bread?
Nice. You're not insulting the food, you're saying for me.
For me is the softener.
It's a bit spicy for me.
It's a little rich for me.
A little heavy for me.
Soft, human, not dramatic.
Can I be honest?
Always.
Restaurants used to make me feel small.
Small how?
Like I didn't belong. Like everyone else knew what to do.
I get that.
Especially when the menu had words I couldn't pronounce.
And you worry the server would judge you.
Yes, so you don't ask questions, you just point.
Pointing is okay sometimes, but it doesn't feel good.
Exactly. It feels like you're hiding.
So today's lesson is not only English,
It's confidence.
it's permission to take up space.
Wow, that's deep for a pasta lesson.
But it's true.
And the funny thing is, when you start using simple, polite sentences, people are kind.
Because you sound clear, not perfect.
Clear is the goal.
How's everything tasting? It's great, thank you.
Really good.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Actually, could we share a dessert? Absolutely.
Could we share a dessert? Romantic and practical.
Also budget-friendly.
I'm thinking something chocolate.
I knew you would.
What can I say? It's a personality trait.
Viewers, another useful question. What do you recommend for dessert?
Or what's your most popular dessert?
Or what's your favorite?
And if you can't decide, we're still deciding.
Or we're thinking about it.
Okay, big moment. The check.
The check is where learners suddenly forget English again.
Because you're tired, full, and your brain wants to go home.
Let's make it easy.
Could we get the check, please?
Whenever you get a chance.
That phrase is so polite.
And if you want to split, could we split the bill?
Or could we split this?
Or can we do separate checks?
Separate checks is common in the U.S.
In some places, they don't do it, so you can ask gently.
Is it possible to split the bill?
If not, no worries.
That line keeps the mood friendly.
Okay, let's switch into host mode for a moment and organize what we used.
Perfect. Viewers, if you remember only a few sentences, remember these.
Category 1, arriving.
Table for two, please.
We have a reservation under
Could we have a few minutes?
Category 2, ordering.
What do you recommend?
What's in it?
Could you make it mild, please?
Could I swap the side? Category 3, fixing a problem politely.
I think this isn't what I ordered.
Sorry, I think there's been a mix-up.
Could you check, please?
Category 4, paying.
Could we get the check, please?
Could we split the bill?
Simple sentences. Big confidence.
And you don't need to speak fast.
Speak clear. Speak calm.
Let's do a quick role play. I'm the server.
Okay.
Hi, how are we doing tonight?
Good, thank you. Could we have a few more minutes?
Of course, no rush.
Thanks.
Back again, are you ready to order?
Almost. What do you recommend?
Our signature dish is the lemon herb chicken.
Great. I'll take that. Could I swap the side salad for fries?
Absolutely. Now the mistake. Here is your steak pasta.
Oh, sorry. I think I ordered the seafood pasta.
My mistake. I'll fix it right away.
Thank you so much.
Now the check.
Could we get the check, please?
Sure. Would you like to split the bill?
Yes, please, if that's possible.
Of course. That's it. That's real restaurant English.
And it's not fancy. It's practical.
Let's give them a comment template they can actually use.
Yes. Viewers, copy this and fill it in.
At a restaurant, I usually order blank.
I like my food blank.
And if there's a problem, I say blank.
Or the simple one.
Could I get blank, please?
And tell us what you would order today.
And that's the end of part 2.
Calm, real, useful.
All right, so that's the end of today's lesson about restaurants.
Thank you so much for staying with us, especially if you're watching after a long day.
If there's one thing we hope you take from this episode, it's that you don't need perfect English at a restaurant.
You just need a few calm sentences that help you ask, order, and fix things politely.
Before you go, leave a comment using one of the templates we shared.
We read the comments, and we'll reply to help you sound more natural.
And if this lesson helped you, please like the video. It truly supports the channel.
And subscribe to Daily English Talk for more real-life English practice through calm, natural conversations.
Thanks again for learning with us.
Take care. Bye, everyone.